Hello everyone, my name is Robbiarsya Syaiful Akmal. Today I will explain to you about next generation network from wireless communication and network convergence class. Next. Uh, okay, first because it's the first week of the class, I will explain to you about what is network convergence. Network convergence combines support for multimedia, telephone, and data on a single network. Network coverage primarily serve large, complex organizations where mobile and internet connections are regulated behind the same firewalls or sign-on credential. With network convergence, registered users access their internet and Wi-Fi and mobile connection through a single network that supports everything from email and web browsing to text messaging. Okay, next one. Okay, next I will talk about the NGN, Next Generation Network. Okay, it is an architectural concept of the future telecommunication core and access networks, which assume transport of all information and service over a common network, typically built around the IP. The It is also defined by IPUT is a packet-based network able to provide service, including telecommunication service, and able to make use of multiple broadband. It is enabled transport technologies and in which service-related functions are independent from underlying transport-related technologies. It offers unrestricted access by users to different service providers. It supports generalized mobility, which will allow consistent and ubiquitous provision of service to users. So what's the connection with NGN and the convergence? So the TV broadcast internet and the home telephone needed quality of service management with powerful software. Next. So there are key principles of NGN. The first is open architecture. It's open to support service creation, service updating, and incorporation of service logic provisioned by third parties, and also support distributed control, as well as enhance security and protection. Second is independent provisioning. Service provision process should be separated from network operation by using distributed control mechanism to promote completion. And the third is multiplicity. The NGN functional architecture shall offer the configuration flexibility needed to support multiple access technologies. Next, next is the NGN basic reference model. So there is a separation transport access and core from services, but keeping three planes for basic function, which is user control and management. Next, and this is the NGN architecture, as you can see in the image. Okay. Now I will talk about the advantages. Okay. NGN make use of the best of both the world's flexibility, efficiency, and innovativeness of IP and quality of service. Security, reliability, customer-friendly features of proven PSTN. Besides that, uh, it also generates additional revenue stream for new IP-oriented service. It fulfills customers' demand for high bandwidth internet and IP solutions. It diminish expertise in legacy. It gives end of life or end of service vendor notification, and user can choose multiple service provider to take maximum advantage of competitive offers, but may get single bill. Next, next is the disadvantage of NGN. Though having huge advantage in application, NGN is having some major loopholes, which are stated as follows. The migration complexities. Not all legacy service can be replaced with new alternative. Not all existing infrastructure can be shut down, and regulatory restriction for critical service. Next, yeah, next is the impact of NGN architecture. Okay, for the comp study of NGN, it is clear that it can help the operator to fulfill their needs and will truly help them to solve a problem, but at the same time, they need to be conscious to invest in it wisely since some past technologies couldn't make up to it. This migration is needed to be smooth process rather than to be immediate process, as there is no option then to market of NGN for survival as well as for customer welfare. Okay, next. That's all for the video this week. Thanks for watching. Cakap lah.